Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the best Tzatziki sauce, easy method. Grate cucumber, squeeze out excess water, then combine with full-fat Greek yogurt, minced garlic, chopped dill, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Mix gently until smooth and taste for seasoning, adding more lemon or salt as needed. Chill the sauce for 30 minutes before serving to let flavors meld and develop a bright, balanced finish. Gather your ingredients: full-fat Greek yogurt, cucumber, garlic, fresh dill, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Use 1 cup yogurt, half a cucumber grated and drained, 1 clove garlic minced, 1 tablespoon dill chopped, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to start. Olive oil and salt are added to taste, and chilling for 30 minutes helps the flavors harmonize. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving with pita or grilled dishes. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the product seen here is the new Kindle Paperwhite, great for reading recipe notes in the kitchen without mess. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you like handy tools that simplify cooking. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by grating the cucumber on a fine grater, sprinkle lightly with salt, and let it sit for 5 minutes before squeezing out moisture. Fold the drained cucumber into yogurt, add minced garlic, chopped dill, lemon juice, and a tablespoon of olive oil, then stir until evenly combined. Cover and chill the tzatziki for 30 minutes to let flavors marry, then taste and tweak seasoning before serving with warm pita or fresh vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.